Oh my god! What the f is wrong with you? EYWN. I got you.
Now watch the rider coming from the right side. Even though they both switched lanes at the same time, the rider was able to swerve back into the other lane and completely avoid the accident. Everyone knows pedestrians have the right of way. But sometimes they don't even bother to look whenever they cross the street. Now, if you're wondering why the rider just went when there was cars passing, the rider actually had the green light on this one.
Man, you have stop. You have stop, okay? You almost hit me, okay? Be very careful. You scared me to death. Look for the signal.
And this is how situations like this should be handled.
Ai de capul meu.
Target fixation. It happens to a lot of riders. This rider pulled to the side of the road to read the sign while the rider behind him focused too much on him instead of the road, and this is what happened.
Yep.
The good thing is the rider was wearing all his gear, and he was also very lucky to land in some grass.
Are you okay?
Here we have a couple of other instances where target fixation was effective.
Look, we about to go right between these two cars. Watch. I got you.
Now, I would say the rider was pretty careful when he decided to lane filter. But either way, the driver in the blue car was not happy about it.
Y'all seen that? This is wildin'. What up? You said, huh? What up? Who the f is you? Who is you? Who the f are you?
It's always best to go your separate ways and just avoid situations like this, because you never know what the other person's gonna do. But as you can imagine, it did not end here.
I'm gonna break this mirror. I'm gonna break this mirror, cuz. Broke that mirror. What's wrong with him? Hopped on the sidewalk on that ass. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Dude. What's wrong with him? I try to turn around. Turned around on that ass, you hear me? Oh, dude. Broke that mirror. He a bitch, cuz. What the fuck was that?
Having something happen like this would have to be very distracting and potentially dangerous. But this rider was able to calmly and safely pull to the side of the road before anything bad happened.
Yeah. Fucked.
Alright guys, don't forget to check out some of our shorts. I think I'm going to be posting most of the shorts on our second channel, so make sure you go subscribe over there. I'll leave a link on the screen and in the description. See you guys next time.